I just got up. It's a Saturday and I have a lot of things to do. In the past week, I think I've been feeling very out of order basically with my life. I feel like I have to get it back together and basically organize everything. So that is what we are going to do. So first we are going to the gym because we have to finish a workout. Otherwise I'm going to just feel guilty the entire day that I missed my workout. So first let's get ready and go to the gym. So I just came back from the gym and I just sat for 5 minutes, and the thing is that I have to go for a doctor appointment. It's like a regular thing, like regular checkup. So I have to go there. I have an appointment at 1. He leaves at 1. Currently it's 12 o'clock. So I have to go there. But other than that, I also want to go on a solo date because the doctor's appointment is in Banjara Hills. So I thought I could go to like a cute cafe and do my planning and everything there, do some work there. So I think that would be fun. So I'm really running out of time, so I really need to go get ready. I might not be able to show the in between, but I will add clips because I'm also filming for shorts simultaneously, because that's how it is. You're juggling a lot of things at the same time. So I will include the clips for you. I'm finally back from the cafe, and honestly, I had such a good time because I was just planning everything. I could plan my content. It's not going according to it, but I'm hoping it will. And yeah, if you realized, I got a new mic, so I tried it and I think the sound is really good, so I'm gonna use it now. Planned content, and then I do have to plan my meals. Basically, I want to eat healthy, so I made a big list of things I need to eat on an everyday basis. I will go for grocery shopping for that maybe tomorrow because currently it's raining cats and dogs and I cannot do that right now. So we will do that tomorrow. I just wanted to share with you all my favorites of the month and everything that I've been loving, everything that I'm looking forward to. In terms of content, I've really been loving podcasts lately, and I listen to so many new podcasts, and I think they're doing a great job, many of them. I listen to Happy and Healthy. If you know Jenny Navapola, she runs a podcast with her husband. He features sometimes. How Can It Be? I think How Can It Be Pod is also one. That podcast also I really like. Masoom Meenawala is making a podcast now, so those are also really good. So yeah, these podcasts have really been loving. I also listen to Moss. I don't know if everybody likes it, but I like it. I enjoy it. Other than that, I think in products and like food items, I'm really loving. One has to be mango matcha. I tried mango matcha from this place, Boba Bhai actually, but now I think they've named it to Seoul Burgers or something like that. So mango matcha from them is really good. I've suggested to many people. They have tried it and they've told me it's nice. So it's approved. You need to try. In terms of products, I think I really like Mirucha Beauty's lipstick. That's the one I'm wearing currently. And I tried the Foxtail, the Radiance mask, the purple one that went viral. And yeah, that is, I think it's working really well. I do that every Sunday. At least I try to. That is also something I really like. My skin feels so clear and so like cleansed after I remove that mask somehow. So that also I really like. For the Zepto Cafe video, I completely forgot. I tried the tiramisu from them. Amazing. If you are not on a diet, if you want to eat something sweet, then definitely try Zepto Cafe tiramisu. I think it's really good. You get some tiramisus, you don't get coffee flavor so much, but in that particular one, I could really taste the coffee, and the layers also were really good. So you should try that. And some of the products I really want to try in July are basically retinol. I want to start retinol. I bought one. I've actually not used it altogether because I don't think I have the correct knowledge for it as of yet. I want to research about it a little more, what you can put it with, what you can't put it with, and then start using it. If somebody has knowledge about retinol, please do the honors and let me know. I would love that. The series that I've watched and I really liked is Ginny and Georgia. I watched and I really liked it. If I like something, I finish it fatafat. Currently, I'm really liking Traitors. I did not expect it that I would like it so much, but the episode comes out and I watch it, and it's. I think I really like it. I've never watched the original Traitors. I don't know. I heard it's a remake, but I've never watched the original one. These are the series I've tried and I really like. I think reflecting on June was a good month for the most part. The last week was very hectic. That is because of work. I was almost doing 10, 11 hours of work on a daily basis, which is very stressful in general. But those weeks, some of the weeks are like that. I really cannot do anything. And during this time, I was having the guilt of not creating content. Also, I'm really trying very hard to hit 1,000 followers, and I think I see a progress, but I have to work more harder than this. I have to push even more than this. I am trying really best. So that is a little clash that's happening. The real life, my job requires more of me, right? That is how I pay my bills. So yes, that is, I think, getting a little tough, but I think I will get back at it, so that's okay. Other than that, I think really good, very calm, relaxed, and I think I was pretty much on my routine, which is very important these days. Otherwise, it gets really hard. So yes, that was also good. Everything was happy, everybody was happy, everybody around me was happy. Thumbs up. I hope July is kinder to us. So that was a little chit chat session for us to catch up with what has happened, what will happen, what I'm expecting to happen. Everything of that is covered. My room currently is in a big mess since the whole month. I think I dump everything in this one chair, which I don't want to show you all because it's too messed up. And my wardrobe is also very messed up. So let's get to some cleaning because I think that's really important if we're talking about reset. So let's go. Hello, it's the next day. Yesterday I was so tired that after cleaning up everything, I just slept. It took almost 3 hours. It looks like I've finished very fast, but it took a lot of time. So today we are going to actually plan. So this is my planner. This is actually 2022 planner, but I have not used it. So we have to make use of everything we have. So we're going to use this. This is from Simba Lifestyle. So they have certain prompts in here, the monthly goals. We're going to be filling this, and I actually want to write goals of in every area of life, what I want to focus on in July. There is a habit tracker. We are going to fill that up. So let's do it. Okay, so the first one says this month will be full of growth and productivity. And I think one thing I should not forget is rest. Happy, of course. So rest and happy. Mini goals for this month. First and the foremost is to fix my sleep schedule. Majority, my issue is that I don't sleep on time. Mini goals for this month is working out every day also because I think I've been slacking at it. Other than that, posting every day. Affirmations for the month: can do all things through Christ. I've been getting this one single verse every time I do my Bible study, some or the other form or in some or the other sentence. I can do all things through Christ is the affirmation, is the Bible verse of the month. I think with setting up these habits, one thing that's very, very needed is to set proper rules. Okay, so now let's get to habit tracking. I think first and foremost should be sleep. I think I would really need to work on that because that is affecting everything. So for sleep, I want to make sure I sleep by at least 12:30, and then it'll be food and workout. And food and workout, I think eating clean, eating according to the diet I've maintained, but I'm not going to go complete no sugar. Maybe I'll go in the future. In few months, I'm planning to do that. But currently, at what phase I am, I'm okay with eating sugar, everything in proportion, and workout, not miss work out as much as possible and go to the gym every day. If I miss on some days, I have to get up the next day and go. So that is something I want to try. For work, I think I don't want to procrastinate on any task. With work, even if it's a small task, I always think like, oh, I'll do it, and then I'll end up doing it on the last day. I don't want to do that. For that also, I want to create a rule of not having my phone on my desk when I'm working. Like anywhere, if I'm working in office, no phone. If I'm working from home, no phone on my table. In terms of content, I want to follow my posting schedule. In general, a habit I'm trying to inculcate is not using my phone too much. I don't want to use phone in the first thing in the morning for 1 hour. The last thing in the night, I don't want to use it for 1 hour. So I want to maintain these. At least those are the rules. I hope we can do it. I will do another reset routine like this in the next month, I think for August, once we're done with July, and then I will show you what the progress is. Now, I actually want to go to the grocery store. I told you that I want to do a little meal prep kind of so that I can follow the healthy eating. We'll keep everything chopped and ready so that we can use it in the weeks to come by. Let's go. Okay, I'm back from grocery shopping and I have 2 bags full of grocery. So let's prep for the ABC juice for the entire week. I'm gonna cut apple, beetroot, and carrot and keep them in the fridge, freeze them so I can use it throughout the week. That's I think now we are well prepared for July, and I hope this video has given some motivation to you too. I hope you have the wonderful rest of the month and really happy, really joyful. So, that is it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you all with a new video soon. Until I see you next time. Bye.